Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a few entries for my embellishment. Oh, something's on my foot. Embellishment challenge. I forgot what it's called. I called it. This first one is from Linda. She's Alien Wife Form here on YouTube. And let me get right into it. So I wonder what this little cute, look at this pillow box. It's almost like a smooth vellum. Okay, so these are her cute little die cuts. She's got these cute little scalloped ones, probably like an inch, and with like a pattern paper. These cute little floral ones. And then she's got these tiny little tags, and they all have like foiling on them in those same two patterns. Super cute. Thank you, girly. And then these must be her little embellishments. She has them wrapped in tissue paper. Okay, so she's made some cute little altered tags. She's got these little glittered, oh, these are like super glittered little flowers right here, and this like rainbow style trim that's like all pastel. Wink of Stella up the letters, says love, very cute. And then this one, ooh, another little tag in pastel colors that says laugh. Again, she's Wink of Stella it up. It's all glittery and shimmery. And these flowers are super glittery. And then again, this fun, like, pastel rainbow trim. Thanks so much, Linda, for playing. I'm Susan Klein. Hey, girly. This is her package, and she made some of these, they're like a fabric. What's the name of these? There's a specific word for these. Rosettes? Flower rosettes? No, that's not. Fabric rosettes? No, that can't be it. Ooh, girl. Oh, you guys, Susan, you guys, post dated January 3rd. So I am getting, oh my gosh, the post office, come on, that's a little ridiculous. This is my third package just in this group that is for my birthday card challenge that never showed up. They just disappeared into nowhere. So Susan, yay, your cards showed up. I'm so excited they're not lost. So I will enter you into this giveaway. So she made these cute little bows right here in glitter and like that fancy vellum paper. Oh, love that black and white striped one with the cute little bag topper right here. And then look at her card, you guys. I can't believe the post office. Like, where was that package for? It's going to be March. Where was that package for months? Somewhere in the back, just chilling? Okay, so she's got this cute little tulle, like organza fabric at the top, the bottom, like a little skirt. And then look at this little image of this girl. She's got like, I don't know if that's, what's that stuff? Stickles, but like in purple and red. She's got the cute little bows on the end. This girl is puffed up. Ooh, and then the inside, it says time to celebrate, it's your birthday. And then she's got the cute little mason jar at the top with the little bling on the side. Love that. Super cute, Susan. Then the little envelope to go with it. And then something is in here. Uh-oh, let's see here. Another card, or I should have read this card first, I think. Didn't show up. Aw, this Anna Griffith. Oh, look at this embossing folder. I do not have this. So it's got the little border one, and then it's got the main one. Yes, I don't have this. Thank you so much, girly. Anna Griffin. And then, oh, what's this? These cute little mugs. These little coffee, or they're tea. Cup of love. I guess it could be tea or coffee. Cottage cuts. Ooh, how fun. It's got the little frosting at the top. Very nice. Thank you, girly. And I'm just, you guys, I'm just happy that they're showing up. These packages are showing up out of the woodworks. This next one is from Miriam Farris. Again, you guys, this, let me show you. Postmarked January 2nd, and it just never, like, I can't believe the post office. Okay, so Miriam, I will enter you into this giveaway. Here's her cute little, like, paper bows right here, and these ones have, like, foiling, red foiling on them with the cute little center, like, pearl, flat back pearls. Oh, and look at this girl, gorgeous girl. Did you color that or did you print that? So it looks like she colored, printed. I don't know what technique she did. She even got a cute little bag topper on here for these. Probably just leave these in here, but let's see. She's layered this multiple times with like textured cardstock, and then the inside is white with the matching white envelope. So pretty. She's like Barbie. She's fancy. And this one, again, the cute little bag topper at the top. This girl with her hair. Look at those earrings. She's really fancy. These look like those Target earrings. It says happy birthday, layered it up on 3 different times. And then the inside is white on that one as well. Very nice, Miriam. Thank you for playing. Again, I'm so excited that these entries are showing up and not lost. Okay, next one is from Kenza. She's Kenzie Scraps on Instagram. You guys may know her. She sent me some goodies a while back. And she's entering. She's all the way from Switzerland. Okay, so yes, I think I read your note. So she sent, let's see here. How cute. Look, it's like glassine style paper. She's decorated. Look at this, you guys. She is the embellishment queen. She does have an Etsy shop, and I'll list that down below. Look how cute. See a little Alina, little like banner style. I think that's Alina Craft. But look how cute. Oh, love the paper pad that she used to, oh, yes, Maggie Holmes. And then look at these cute, look, did you make these? Oh, she did. She made little fringe hearts that look professional, just like the real ones. Could totally embellish these and alter these. Yes, and some more. She does the rosettes with the glitter tool, you guys. Absolutely stunning and so sparkly. Oh my gosh. Look at these little phones. Look at all the layers on that, you guys. And it's like puffed up, like double layered dimensional. It says hello at the top. So cute, and glitter and pink. Yes, girl. These are so pretty. I think that's my other favorite, besides like coffee style cups and mugs. I feel like telephones and typewriters are my other like super cute, like whether it's a chipboard piece or like die cuts. Oops. Oh, how cute. Look at these little tickets. These ones have sprinkles. The other ones have flowers. And this is glitter, pink glitter, her die cuts that she included. Yes, girl. Thank you. Just as I was talking about, saying coffee cups are my favorite embellishments. Look how cute. This is hugs and kisses. This cute little flower right here. A little envelope. It says be mine at the top with all these like different layers of elements. So cute, Kenza. Oh my gosh, you guys. She spoiled me. Thank you, girlie, for playing. Okay, so the next one is from, let's see, I think it's Lean Payne, I think, if I remember right. Some stuff going missing. You guys, look at this. Postmarked 2018, and I'm just getting this in my mailbox. Like, oh, post office, why do you do this? I don't know. But yay, it's not lost. Okay, so she's got this cute little felt like flower with this little pinwheel on the very top. So cute. Happy birthday. So this was originally for my birthday challenge entry, you guys. Okay, so I read the card. Thank you, girlie. Let's get right into her. Oh yes, look at these challenge entry. Oh, look at this card. So she's got it like, let's see if I can open it up. This like layered, oh, it's foam. So she's got it layered up on black foam. So it's like a Polaroid, like a 3D Polaroid. It says sparkle cheers. She's got this cute little cupcake on there. The little balloon says happy birthday. And the inside, wishing you a very happy birthday. Super cute. Very nice. And then a little white envelope. And then these are her bows and like a blue. Ooh, look at that gemstone right there. 3 different bow styles. This one's like a double bow. Super cute on the backed on the Maggie Holmes paper. Yes, girl. Next one is from Sarah Martin. Let's see, you guys. Look at this cute little package. I have no clue what she sent. And look at this card, you guys. Look at all the like little paper flowers. Like all sorts of detailed, and these ones are like inked and stuff. Look at the leaves. It says do what you love, and cute little vase. And she is all the way from England, you guys. So this is my second international subby entry. So excited. Let's tie this, see what you sent, Sarah. this cute tissue paper, the ribbon, and gold washi, and an entire loaded bag. Girl, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at this cute little bag that I don't even know how she made this. All sorts of different layers. And like I think gussets is what they're called. It says hello. She's got the little pearl trim right here. Look at these little flowers. They got like little like foam, or I don't know what those are, like little tiny seed bead like sprig things. Did you make these? These are cute. She inked the edges, and look at this flower right here. Little top, handmade with love. Oh, so she just used like a square, like a fancy square die, and folded it in half to make a topper. Very great idea. Ooh, look at these lollipops, swirl lollipops in pink and purple. Oh my gosh, look how cute. So she made these cute little crochet hearts. You guys, I learned how to crochet when I was 13. My grandma taught me, but it was just I don't know what it's called, but like a basic stitch. So I could make blankets and stuff and squares, but I never knew how to do like this stuff, like fancy patterns. Those are very cute. Thank you. I don't like, this is my entry, that's it, right? But look, you guys, it does not end. She sent an entire loaded bag. Oh, look how cute these foam hearts are. So they're very dimensional, and they got all sorts of different patterns. She did the fancy little topper right here. Look at, there's those flowers again. Look how fancy these are, you guys. Little die, I think these are die cuts. Hello, sweet friend. Very nice. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little unicorn lollipop, right? Yep, chocolate unicorn lollipop, you guys. How cute is that? And we got this little goodie right here with a little bag topper. Let's see what's in. Oh, you know what? These might be her. Oh my gosh, girl, you sent so many. She sent a buttload. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at this paper. Look at these little chestmate pieces. Little hearts and all sorts of patterns. Those little conversation hearts. Guys, it keeps going. Look at this. These little doilies. That's like a really fancy paper. They're trapped. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. What is this paper? It's almost like a embossed tinfoil. Like, that's how I would describe it. Look at these cute little butterflies. Look at that. Little hearts. Oh my gosh, look at that bird. Cute little Alina die, or not Alina, but yeah, I think that's Alina's. So cute. Look at this little one right here, embossed. Some more right here. These little hearts. Oh, look at those cute polka dot little poinsettia, or well, they look like poinsettia. These cute little leaves. Look at this little butterfly. Oh my gosh, so many, girl. That is way more than 10. So she sent these cute little. I just said I love little like typewriters. Look at these little embellishments. It says happy, hope, and heart. She's got the little flowers and little leaves poking out, little gems on each of the flowers. This little like metal piece that's a heart. So cute. Look at the top. These flowers look like they're from England. Like, we don't have flowers like this here. So fancy and pretty. Oh, and then she sent, oh, look at this little butterfly. It's a gold foam butterfly on this fancy paper that's like embossed with flowers. She sent all these trims, like this fun like ombre style pink like eyelash trim. Then this one kind of looks like crocheted style, and then this lacy peachy one, very pretty, all on these little like tabs, like spool die. Look at this, you guys. It's like layered on each row with that trim. Oh, look at these little globes, and they're shaped like hearts, you guys. Like the big heart right here. Again, she did those fancy flowers on all 3 of these globes. And the little topper, the little butterfly. So cute. See possibility everywhere. Yes. I think us crafters always do. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at this. It's a little birdhouse. And then look at this, you guys. The little paper rosettes. Oh, how cute are these little angels? Oh my gosh. And then she's got, so she kind of shows how she used some of those die cuts. She stuck them in the background behind some fabric. Very nice. Handmade with love. So cute. Ooh, and then look at this, you guys. Pastel rainbow bling. The way to my heart. Yes, I love these. Sending love. Again, she used one of the little die cuts, the little bird die cuts. Sending love. Love. Thank you, girly. Oh my gosh, you sent so much. Thank you for playing, and I'm happy that it got here and it didn't get lost. And I will catch you guys on the next crafting video. Bye.